How to install FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention module on Xcart. Firstly, log in to your Xcart admin page. Go to Apps, My Apps. Click on Go to External App Store. Search for FraudLabs Pro. Click on Get Add-on for free. Then, install the module. Go to Apps, My Apps. Search FraudLabs Pro in the search bar. Click on the settings icon of the FraudLabs Pro module. You will need a FraudLabs Pro module API key to use the module. You may sign up for a free API key if you do not have one by clicking the Get API Key button. Let's log in to your FraudLabs Pro merchant dashboard. Copy your API key. Go back to Xcart admin page. Then, paste your API key here. If you want to block orders with FraudLabs Pro Reject Status, click on the Reject FraudLabs Pro Reject Status checkbox. If you want to block orders with FraudLabs Pro Review Status, click on the Reject FraudLabs Pro Review Status checkbox. Click on the Submit button to save the new settings. Thanks for watching.